High-value wills and estates disputes rarely start with bad intentions, they start with assumptions. Assumptions that a will is clear, that family members will act reasonably, that business interests will simply transfer, that trusts, companies, and informal arrangements will fall into place. In reality, estates involving significant assets are where disputes most often arise. When an estate includes property portfolios, family businesses, discretionary trusts, or unequal distributions between beneficiaries, emotions and financial stakes collide quickly. What looks straightforward on paper can unravel the moment probate begins. Family provision claims are one of the most common flashpoints. Adult children, former spouses, stepchildren, and dependents may challenge a will they believe fails to make proper provision. These claims are highly fact-specific, and courts closely examine the size of the estate, the relationships involved, and the intentions behind the will. Executors also face real risk. In high-value estates, executors can be personally exposed if assets are mismanaged, distributions are delayed, or disputes are handled poorly. Acting without clear legal guidance can turn an administrative role into a personal liability. Business interests add another layer of complexity. Shares, partnerships, and trust-controlled assets often sit outside the will itself, yet remain central to the dispute. Without a coordinated legal strategy, families can find themselves locked in prolonged litigation that erodes both value and relationships. What separates successful outcomes from costly failures is not just the law. It is timing, strategy, and experience. Early decisions shape everything that follows. Once positions harden, options narrow. At Pentana Stanton Lawyers, we act in complex, high-value wills and estates disputes across Victoria. We understand how family dynamics, commercial structures, and succession planning intersect, and we approach these matters with precision, discretion, and strategic focus. If you are facing a contested estate, acting as an executor under pressure, or concerned about how a significant estate will be challenged, this is not a situation to navigate alone. Speak with Pentana Stanton Lawyers. Get clear advice, a structured strategy, and experienced representation when the stakes are high.